Welcome back to Modern Day Bum Living, where today we get to witness whether the frame fits or not.
Alrighty, back to the hard work. I mean, this RV got me working like a dunk on the Sahara Desert, man. A dunk works really hard on the Sahara Desert. You know, the heat that you can barely see, you can barely open your eyes, and all you're looking for is some fresh air and water, and you're just trying to find a shade, you know, and that's how I feel when I'm working this camper. Anyway, joke to the side and back to the reality here is that, oh yeah, last week I asked people if they had a good idea or any suggestion on how to get this frame in the RV, and a few people reached out and gave their opinion, and I wrote down two of them. The first one is someone said rent a crane and airlift the whole shell, then put the frame in and bolt the frame and then drop the shell. Well, that would be absolutely insane, costly, and I wouldn't have the skill to do that type of work, so that wouldn't work. And the second one was someone said, "Oh, you should just weld it in." Yes, that's a good idea, and I thought about that, but I would only be able to weld the portions of only the top. I mean, most of the bottom I wouldn't be able to weld it. So, but anyway, the third one was remove the bumper. So I thought, well, no, I'm gonna remove the bumper. That was the best option. So I did. I removed the bumper. As you can see it, it took me 4 hours. I spent more time removing the bumper than actually spent on welding the frame. That was a lot of work. So anyhow, so I got the bumper in and greased up the side and starting to push it in that whole frame, and thing was going really well, and then it stopped, and then I was like, oh, what the heck's going on? So the tire's in the way. So then I had to lift the shell more to be able to push the frame. So I had to jack up a little bit more. I didn't film the whole thing, but I had to jack up about another 3 inches, 4 inches, so I can clear the tires and be able to push the frame all the way to the back. And then after, so I went in a little bit more. See, I pushed a little bit more. I think now, when you look at it, I kind of clear the tire a little bit. I'm gonna have to do a little bit, see. Yeah, I'm over the tire now, so I just need to make sure everything is okay, and go back there and push a little bit more. Frame is done. It's all done. It's in. It's bolted. We did a little modification inside to fit, and I run the transmission, and I gotta cut the stairs, and I allow it. I move some of the bars on the back right here, right there, so I can be able to put wider tires. And then I painted the whole thing, and and bolted to the chassis. I mean, I bolt the whole thing to the chassis, and it's ready for the floor. Yep, it's ready for the floor. It is in, guys. Frame is done, and I'm really happy about it. Stay tuned and watch me struggle as we go along. We're all learning. I'm learning though. So yep, see you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.